Good morning, everyone. Hope you're hungry for dessert for breakfast.
That's right.
Because that's what we're making today.
Okay.
Whiskey cream sauce.
What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on. Welcome to our camp. This is Camp Cleaver. My name is Don Cleaver. This is my daughter Casey.
Hi.
We're up here in the high mountains of Rocky Mountains in Colorado, about 10,000 feet, so high altitude. We're also in a fire band, so any baking we do, we're doing it in a Dutch oven, but we can't use the charcoal that we normally would put on top to bake down. So we have other methods that we're trying, and they seem to be working pretty good. All right, today we're doing a whiskey cream sauce, and this is Kent Rollins. I'm following a lot of Kent Rollins recipes. I'm actually doing on a quest to do every recipe in his book while we're out here camping. So far they've been turning out really, really good.
Okay, so in a saucepan,
Okay.
we're going to combine 1 cup of sugar.
Okay.
All right, 1 stick of butter melted.
Butter melted.
2 cups heavy cream. And then 1/2 cup of whiskey, or less. It says 1/4 to 1/2 cup.
All right. And we're using the good stuff.
Crown Royal. Alright, so we're going to bring that to a boil and boil for 1 minute and then drizzle on top.
Let's see what we're doing. All right. Stir that up good. It's spongy. Finger in there a little bit. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, that looks great. Let's see if the camera can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
If you want a little bit more whiskey or flavor, you boil for a little bit less than a minute.
Oh yeah, because it cooks it out, huh?
Yes. Now we need probably a better spoon.
Yeah, I don't think I'll get far with this water spoon.
Okay. Pour just a little bit of this over the top of our...
Ooh.
Okay, give it a try.
Oh my god. That was really good. It's like spongy and...
Oh.
Oh man.
Once again, Kent Rollins did. He's got some great recipes in his book. He's got his book is The Taste of Cowboy, and we'll have a link below for the book and the recipe on our website.
All right, you guys got to try this one.
Yeah. So once again, if you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the little
Notification button like right here.
Yep. And check out our other videos. We got a lot of other recipes that we're trying through the book, and we got a video that kind of talks about our camp setup. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.